The world stands at the edge of a new era, where artificial intelligence reshapes modern warfare. Both nations deploy advanced AI command systems capable of processing millions of battlefield decisions every second. Autonomous drone swarms dominate the skies with unmatched coordination. Artificial intelligence transforms satellite surveillance into an instant global monitoring network. Robotic ground forces reduce human risk while increasing battlefield efficiency. The first battlefield exists in cyberspace. Artificial intelligence enhances aerial combat with lightning-fast reactions. Naval warfare evolves through intelligent autonomous fleet. Electronic warfare becomes faster and more adaptive than ever before.
Artificial intelligence predicts threats before they strike.
Collective AI transforms thousands of machines into one coordinated force. Battlefield decisions are now calculated in milliseconds. Darkness offers no advantage against AI vision. Human strategy combines with artificial intelligence for unprecedented coordination.
Hypersonic defense activated.
Next-generation defense systems respond within fractions of a second.
Artificial intelligence keeps military logistics running without interruption.
The greatest challenge is deciding how technology should be used.
Not order. The future depends not only on technology, but on wise decisions. Peace remains possible. Artificial intelligence has the power to protect humanity beyond the battlefield.
The greatest victory is a future where innovation serves peace and humanity.